Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to purchase stock on Etrade. Open the Etrade app or website and sign in with your credentials immediately. Next, fund your brokerage account using linked bank transfer or wire with the amount you prefer. Search the ticker symbol, choose order type as market or limit, enter the share quantity, review estimated fees, and confirm the buy. Monitor the order status and your portfolio for confirmations and performance. To start, complete identity verification and add a linked bank account for funding. Choose ACH for lower costs or a wire transfer if you need faster availability to trade. Settle funds before placing a trade to avoid rejected orders and unexpected delays. Check your account balance and buying power in the dashboard so you know exactly how many shares you can buy. Review E-Trade notifications for any hold or compliance messages that affect trading. When placing a trade, search the ticker symbol and confirm you selected the correct company and exchange. Choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order if you want to set a maximum price to pay and avoid surprise fills. Enter the number of shares or a fractional amount, check estimated fees and total cost, then submit the order. Watch the order status and review confirmations to ensure your position reflects the intended purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.